How to fix NGL app not receiving messages. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, the first step would be to check your internet connection. Ensure you have stable internet connection like Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to verify if the issue is network related. Now the next step would be to open up your app store. And once you open it up in the search bar, search for NGL app. And once you search for it in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Now the next step would be to head back to your home screen and then open settings application. And once you are inside settings, scroll below and then tap on general. From here, tap on iPhone storage. Now from iPhone storage, search for NGL app and then tap onto it. Now once you're in this section, tap on Upload app and then tap on Upload app again. This will help you to free up the storage used by NGL and will also help you to clear the cache. Now once done, make sure to reinstall the application again. Now once it is done, head back to your home screen and then see if the issue is fixed or not. If not, reinstall the application and then your problem will be fixed. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.